Hey ladies, how you doing? So yes, you know I had to come and tell you about this hair that I'm wearing. Guys, I cannot stop playing in this hair. Now, before I get into this hair and get into all the specs, you guys can see off the back it's a kinky straight and it's blending all with my hair. And I do like that because that's less stress on my hair if I happen to leave anything out. But you know, normally I'll usually wear a full wig. I don't leave any of my natural hair out. But let's get into, before I get into the hair, I want to show the packaging. The hair came, I'm gonna get into the length too. The hair came in this box. This is Uglam hair. This is a company that I've been wanting to work with for a long time, and I was very grateful when the opportunity had arose. So thank you to Uglam. So the hair came in these sleeves here. Just some regular sleeves, nothing too fancy, which is fine with me because, you know, it's all about the product. I mean, packaging is key, but it's all about the actual product. And then, put this on the floor, get it out of the way. I got some more goodies. So the cap did not come, so let's not think about it. This is the cap that I like to use. I like to use these dome caps. This is make your own wig. This is the dome. I like the stretch mesh. I don't like the actual dome cap where you can't have any breathing going on with the cap. I like these, so I use these. Some care instructions came, and these care instructions is more or less for if you're wearing a wig. It's like a little folding brochure if you have the wig, or if you just want to care for the hair in general, you know, for your bundles. I got some lashes, some Mink 3D lashes. I do not know how to put on lashes, guys. One day I'm gonna get there, but for now we just use mascara. They sent me some clips, I mean not clips, bobby pins, the big ones. Nice gesture, thank you. And some flexi rods. So let's get into this hair. I have, and I'm gonna tell you why I had these ones, because you guys know 16 is my jam, 18 is pushing it, and anything after that I'm tripping. I have 24, 22, 20, and 18, and an 18-inch closure. Yes, this is a full wig. I just have my edges out to cover the actual closure. I think it was a middle part closure, but I did get it was easy for me to manipulate. I can't even get it out, to manipulate. So I was able to just push the hair back and remove the parting area. Now, this hair, as you can see, I'm looking in the viewfinder. This hair is so soft and so fluffy. I was just touching the hair while I was just sewing it on a cap. I could not believe how soft it was. And then to see how it blends, I'm trying to figure out, how should I turn? How it blends in with my hair. Can you guys see that? You can't tell anything. Now, of course, I had on a different wig earlier today, so this is looking kind of frizzy up here. But once you get, you know, it going, it just looks so seamless. You see all the nice crinkles. I was able to take out some of the crinkles, but I didn't want to put too much heat on the unit, because I made a unit before I showed you guys. But I just want to show you that it does get a little straight. It does stay a little poofy. The curling process, now this hair is extremely long, so it didn't want to hold a curl. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this hair. The reason why I got long lengths, because you know, you have to look and see what other folks is doing to kind of see if that length will work well for you. I am only 5'3". I'm barely 5'3". I'm like 5'2" and some change, but they just say 5'3". I'm short. So, and I have a short torso. So hair on me is long. I'm going to stand up. Do you guys see this? This is like, this is long. I can't wear this to work. So what I'm going to do, I pulled the hair forward just so I can show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut the hair till about, I keep looking in this viewfinder so I can see what's going on, to right about here. Let's see, boob length. I'm going to cut this hair because I want to wear this wig to work. I think it's really, really nice. I think it'll do really, really good with a flexi rod. I think if the hair was shorter, it will hold a curl. The hair is light. I do have an all 4 bundles and the closure. The reason why is because the lengths are so long. There's not that much weft. So I do have an all 4 bundles, but however, this is just too long for your girl. So I will be cutting her, and I will be coming back, and I'm gonna do an update on this hair because there's so many different, you know, reviews out here when it comes to kinky straight hair, and everybody has their own opinion, but there are some good companies out here that have some really, really good kinky straight hair. I'm itching for a sew-in. I don't know why, guys. I don't know why. Please talk me out of it. I don't know. I'm itching for a sew-in. So I was thinking about taking this hair off of here, off the cat, and sewing it in. I don't know. But I want to come and show you guys first before I did anything else with this hair. But for you to see how I style this hair and how this hair turns out after I cut it and do all the good things I'm going to do to it, please follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave that down here. If you don't have Instagram, I do have Facebook. It's the same handle as well. I'll leave that right here as well, so you can kind of see, you know, what's going on with the hair and how I'm going to actually style it, because I do want to wear it, and I want to wear this hair for my photo shoot. So let me know. And let me know what you think about this foundation I have on. This, I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but let me know, how do you like it? How do you think it looks? Just let me know, because I'm on the fence about keeping this foundation. In person, to me, I look great, but on the camera, I feel like I look kind of like supple. That was a good word. But anywho, let me know so I can get your thoughts and your opinions. So yes, I'm gonna leave all the information down below about this particular hair, where you can get it from, and I'll leave all the links and stuff down below on the hair that I have, so you can see if you like it. Now, I didn't even tell you the origin of this hair. This is Mongolian. Now, there's a little hiccup. I wanted to try out the Peruvian hair, because I love me some Peruvian hair when it comes to extensions. I just feel like the hair is a little bit more thicker. I prefer Peruvian hair because I feel it's a more thicker texture, and it does better when after a few washes. It tends to look a little, I just like the look of it. Now this is Mongolian hair. I've tried Mongolian hair a while back in a straighter version, in a body wave I should say, so it's definitely different. So I have to cut the hair, get it going, and blend my natural hair a little bit better. So I'm gonna go for a middle part, or I'm probably gonna do a flip over thing going on, but we're gonna put some wand curls in. We're gonna have some fun with this hair. So let me know what you guys think. So hey to all my new subscribers, hey to all my loyals, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.